Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Bureau Avenue. This is a duplex that we just bought in Cleveland, Ohio. As you know, we are fanatical right now about adding cash flow to our portfolio. We're focused on multifamily deals and adding apartments. So let me walk you through this case study. This was actually a property that we made a private lender loan on. The borrower actually had to move to Toledo for family purposes, had to move about 2 hours away, and wasn't able to finish the project. So he essentially turned around and wholesaled it to us. We paid him a $2,000 assignment fee to basically send the property to us. We knew that the property was gonna be a great deal. So we took it over, we basically bought it for $85,000, which included the assignment fee, the fee that we paid to the former owner. And we scheduled about $40,000 in improvements. Now that $40,000 included a $5,000 acquisition fee that we paid to ourselves. So $35,000 in rehab. And out of the 35, about $8,000 was a brand new HVAC system. 2 new HVAC systems and all of the ductwork. You can see in the property, we basically made cosmetic improvements. LVP flooring, brand new paint, cabinets and countertops. We're gonna add some basic white appliances. The benefits of this property is that it's in Tremont, Ohio. This is one of the absolute best neighborhoods in all of Cleveland. A lot of people, millennials especially, will come here, will move to Tremont. It's walking distance to bars, to restaurants. You can get an Uber ride very quickly to a Cavs game, an Indians game, a Browns game. So before, this property was only renting out for about $700 per month for the downstairs unit and the upstairs unit. These units now, because of the location, they're gonna rent out for $1,200 per month. So let me ask you to do something. Why don't you quickly get out your calculator for me, get out your phone, get out your calculator, and here's what we're gonna do. We're all into this property for $125,000. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna figure out what's our return on investment. Okay, so remember, all in for $125,000. Now, we're gonna rent these units out for $1,200 per month per unit. So $1,200 times 2, $2,400, multiply that times 12 months, that's $28,800 of gross annual income. Now, we're gonna multiply that times 0.92 to get our vacancy. So basically take 1 month out for vacancy. So now we're at $26,492 of annual income after vacancy. Now this property, the expenses for taxes, insurance, management, and maintenance is $6,000 a year. All right, so I'm gonna subtract $6,000. That leaves us $20,400, almost $20,500 a year of net operating income, okay? Now, all I'm gonna do is take our all-in price of our purchase and acquisition, closing costs, which is $125,000, and I'm gonna divide that into our income of $20,500, and that gives us a 16.4%, 16.39% annualized return on investment. So if we never had a loan on this property, we never got any debt service, never got a loan, never refinanced it, and we paid all cash for it, which we did, that is an amazing return on investment for a property. Now, this property is gonna appraise for $200,000. So we're making a cash on cash return of over 16%. We're all into it for $125,000, but it's worth $200,000. So we've got $75,000 of equity and profit, and we're gonna make $20,000 a year of net free cash flow. Now, the final point, the final training for this video is, now the question is does it make sense to refinance? So we're gonna refinance this property because it's gonna appraise for $200,000. We're gonna refinance at 75% loan to value, which means we're gonna put a new loan on it for $150,000. That's gonna pay off the $125,000 and also give us about $20,000 of cash out refi proceeds, which are completely tax-free. Now, out of our $20,000 of net operating income, the income that we make, now we'll have a new loan on the property of about $1,000 to $1,200 per month. So our net free cash flow after the refinance is $800 per month with $20,000 cash out. It's an amazing deal. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the walkthrough of all the updates that we've made. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to learn how to buy and sell properties yourself, just click the link in the video, in the description right below. We'll take you over to one of our free classes and mini courses to learn how to be a real estate transaction entrepreneur yourself. So kid, go ahead and click the link below and we'll see you on the inside of that mini course. Take care.